Have you ever seen a caterpillar turn into a butterfly? Today's word is about big changes. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is transform. Can you say it with me? Transform. Let's spell it together. T-R-A-N-S-F-O-R-M. That spells transform. Transform means to change something completely. Here are some words that mean the same as transform. Say them with me. Change, like turning a drawing into a colorful poster. Convert, like switching building blocks into a castle. Modify, like adjusting your science project to make it better. Revamp, like giving your bedroom a brand new look. Renew, like making something old look fresh and new again. Each one shows how transform means turning something into something different. Now let's look at the opposites of transform. Maintain, like keeping the same routine every morning. Keep, like holding onto your favorite toy just the way it is. Preserve, like protecting a photo so it stays the same forever. Hold, like not letting go or changing at all. Fix, like repairing something so it works, but leaving it the same. That's the opposite of transforming. Here's a great example. Sofia transformed her drawing by adding bright colors and details. Quick review. Transform means to change something completely. Synonyms: change, convert, modify, revamp, renew. Antonyms: maintain, keep, preserve, hold, fix. Transformations remind us that change can be exciting and full of new possibilities. Your challenge: notice a transformation today, like food cooking, a room being cleaned, or the sky changing. Wonderful! You described a transformation perfectly. It was a big change. Keep changing for the better, explorers. Tomorrow brings another Word Up with Sofia.